So guys, hi to everybody. I hope everything is working. Okay, should work. Sorry guys, I needed to reconnect that. Okay, that's great. So we're gonna start step by step. So here it is. I'm just gonna do it like that. Perfect. So guys, hi to everybody. Today is the time for the test trading session. We're not gonna waste our time and we're gonna start step by step. So we're gonna start with the settings for opening the trades. Settings for opening trades. Time is gonna be, oh wait, I'm not texting. Time is gonna be 3 minutes. Amount of money per trade, 1%. Okay, I'm just gonna do some emojis here as well. Okay, great. So I'm gonna also do a screenshot here. I'm gonna change the amount after. It's gonna be 70 for me. Actually guys, today, as I posted already before in the channel, there's a lot of the news about the US, and of course it can affect the markets and all of the currency pairs, not only dollar. So it's the news mostly about the Canada and United States, but still. So we need to be really careful because today when I was having the other trading sessions, it was really kind of difficult. For example, in the premium now, we had like 3 catch-ups, I think. So it was really, really difficult to handle it all. I was changing many currency pairs, trading on the real market and everything. But anyway, it was a lot of the corrections and volatility. So we need to be really careful. So if you're here for the first time, I'm also going to do a voice message. Wait a second. So if you're here for the first time, it's better to trade with a demo account. So that's how you can test everything. Also, please check it out. I'm going to do the voice message about this for a second in the main channel. So guys, I already started the live stream, so you can join it there. There I'm showing everything, where to click, what to do, and I'm explaining as well, but I also wanted to do a voice message in case that you didn't join the YouTube and maybe it's not comfortable for you. Today is a test trading session here. I posted before that there is a lot of news about US and Canada, so of course it can affect the market. So please be careful. If it's your first trading session, please trade on them account. So that's how you can test the signals. Check it out how it works. If you're trading on the real account, please use not more than 1% of your deposit. Because again, the market could be unpredictable, so we need to be really careful. Also about the catch-ups, if you don't want to use a full catch-up using, the double price of your amount, for example, your first trade is $1 and you don't want to use $2 for the next one, you can just use the same amount of money as the previous trade, like for example $1. So that's how you just cover your losses, but you don't have a profit from the next trade. But that's how you're gonna have a profit from the other one. So we need to minimize our risk as much as possible. So please follow all of the settings. Also, please put the same time of the expiration, amount of money per trade, again 1%. Please check it out if you choose the right currency pair. Please don't miss it out the signals, like when I send a signal you open it. I'm also gonna text the messages like right now we're gonna open a trade down, but wait for the signal, and after I'm gonna send, like for example, down for 3 minutes, and you opening a trade right after that, like at the same second. So that's how you will know what kind of trade I'm gonna open. It's not gonna be a surprise for you, it's gonna be easier also. So yeah, we're gonna start now. Perfect. It was a long one, but still. but still. So time of the expiration is 3 minutes, but the time frame of the candles is going to be aim2. Candles aim2. Okay. And now I'm going to check it out the currency pairs. Let's do the indicators also as usual. RSI, MACD, and let's do a Keltner channel. No, not the Keltner channel. Let's do Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, and we change the deviation to 2. Safe. Okay, that's how we can see if the price in the range of the channel or not. It can give our more information about also what's going on here. So now I'm going to check it out everything. Really careful. I'm checking all of the currency pairs. so. Okay. There could be, as you can see, good reversal and downward, but we'll just save this currency pair. We need to wait for the more candles to appear. So that's how it's going to be more confident and more confirmed as well from the chart. So I'm checking the other ones. Here could be a good continuation of the upward trend as well, but we can see also before it was a lot of the corrections. So I need to be careful with this kind of the charts. So, let's see. I'm checking all of them, even though the payout here is already not that much, but anyway, we need to check it out, all of the options that we have. We need to find, in the best case, the situation with a good upward or downward trend, pretty strong one, like in the start of that, but at the same time not in the few first candles, because like for example as here, we need more confirmation about the upward trend, so it's better just to save this currency pair and wait for that. Also, we need to be really careful. For example, we can find a situation with a good strong upward trend, but it's going for too long time, so we have a bigger chance of the reversal, so we also need to be careful. Like for example here, you see it's not that long, for example here going, but at the same time we could be really close to the support level, but actually here it's not. Just the example. So we're checking everything. Yeah, this one we already checked before. Here could be continuation of the downward trend, but we can see also here some mini support level that was created before. So, and we can see some green candles appearing here. So the price cannot break this level actually. So it's not the best situation. Here could be a good upward, but as you can see, it's still the red candles with the upper wicks also that's showing us that the buyers cannot break this level. So maybe this price will break down this level and go lower. So we just need to wait for more confirmation. Here could be a good start of the upward trends, but also the range of the price is not that actually much, so could be riskful actually. So here could be a continuation of the upward trend as well, but need to be more careful. Here could be a start of the downward trend. Here also a continuation of the downward trend, but as you can see, it broke the previous support level. It's going for some time already, so it has its risk, you know. So yeah, I'm actually choosing between this one and this one, I think. EURUSD OTC is actually looking not bad. That's all I can say, like not really good at the same time, because we can see that the price is almost standing at one place, so. But at the same time, it's only the one was a good start of the trend. Because the other one that we were checking, yeah, it's not that good. Here's two big candles. It could mean a lot of the volatility, so I would rather not enter here. Here, as you can see, it was the upward trend, but now we got pretty big correction candle, so it's good that we didn't enter here. And here's still the continuation of the downward trend, so I'm going to do a poll if you're ready or not. If you're ready, you can just find this currency pair in the search. And guys, again, as I said before, in the YouTube you don't follow the signals. In the YouTube there's a lot of delay, so you follow the signals from the chat only from the chat. Okay, so be ready to open a trade down for 3 minutes. Wait for the signal. It's just, you know, I'm telling you that in advance, so everybody would know that. Okay, and I'm sending a signal and opening a trade. Here it is. So that's how we also open it at the same time, because you know when you see a signal, you firstly need to click on the button, so it will take like 1 or 2 seconds. So we do it exactly just like this. So we're gonna wait here. We're gonna wait. Again, I'm gonna text it in the chat, guys. Follow signals only from the chat, because on the YouTube it's a big delay, because on the YouTube is a big delay. From the chat in Telegram, I mean, Telegram. Hi, is Trader Laser your account? Which one? What do you mean? What kind of account? I have only one account. You can find it in the hat of my. I will actually send it after. We'll send it now in the chat. So here's, guys, my contact. Because I know that some people is creating the fake channels with my photos, name, and everything. So I'm telling that on every live stream actually. So you will be careful. This is my only one contact that you can text me to. This is my only one main channel with 136,683 subscribers. So please, guys, check it out. Also, please check it out. This nickname, you can just copy this and paste in the search, and that's how you're gonna find it. So please be careful, like, because they're creating this almost the same, like, boats, even the accounts with almost the same name, but they're changing, like, some of the letters. For example, they doing this N as a capital, not a small one. They're doing B also as a capital, but not small one. And some of the people thinking that this is, the real account or something. So please check it out, what kind of channel you subscribe to, because here I'm always leaving my contact. I'm always leaving my contact. Here it is as well, as you can see. It also can be with a capital, but you need to check it out what kind of account is that. So yeah, be careful, be careful. And again, also one of the things how you can understand if it's scammers or not, they're asking you money, they're saying about some kind of the increasing of your balance, that you just need to send them money and they're gonna do it for you. It's absolutely not true. I never do anything for the money. Everything that I do is absolutely free. My VIP club, my premium, everything that I do, and I'm doing this already for a long time, so I never took any money from the subscribers. I will also never text you first. So please be really cautious about this kind of the people, because it's a lot in the market. So please be careful. Please be careful. Don't ever send anybody money. Just trade by yourself. You can have the money on your account, but this is your account and that's it. So yeah. So if you also have some messages from some people, text me about that. So here we also gonna open a trade down, but be ready for a signal and wait for a signal. So, oh, it's moving pretty fast. But okay, it's probably already not gonna go lower, higher to get a better entry point. So let's open it here. Hi, we can hear you. Hi, good evening. Hey everybody. Hello, Lisa. Okay, perfect. GM, good morning. You probably mean you have a morning. Damn, so early. Where are you from? So it's 2 minutes and 17 seconds. That's pretty good. But as you can see, now we have some corrective candle, but we still have time. It's also like, I was having today voice training session also in the premium. We were talking there a lot. And I was talking also about the time of the expiration, how much it actually means, For example, you open a trade for 3 minutes and all of the 2 minutes were in plus, but in the last minute, it reversed. So here in the options, we need actually to put a lot of the attention to the time of the expiration, because it's one of the main things, like you need to get the right time of the expiration when the price is going to be in the plus, in the direction that you need, lower or higher than your entry point, depends on your option. So it's not only about the analyzing, about the direction of the trend, right, about everything, but it's also about the time of the expiration and how you can understand what kind of time of the expiration you need to use. For example, we see here a pretty clear upward trend before, also pretty clear downward trend before. We had just had 2 correction candle on the time frame M2. So by seeing on the chart, we can understand that there's not that many correction candles, fluctuations, volatility, or something. So we can open here a trade for 2 and 3 minutes. And even if some kind of the corrective candle appear, it's going to be small. It's not going to be for a long time. So that's how we're going to cover and we're gonna close our trade in plus. But for example, if we see some of the situation, let's check it out, something. Let's see. For example, like this, you see, here's a lot of the corrections. We can see that mostly it's a downward trend, even though it's a lot of the green candles in the middle, but still, like here, the only one option is going to be to open a long trade, like for at least like 10 minutes, for example. So that's how you can catch this move, because it's always going to, reverse and everything. For example, when you see this kind of the situation as well, and this as well, so here you need to change your kind of strategy and choose a longer time of the expiration, for example, to miss all of the fluctuations and still close the trade in the plus. Here, for example, I'm opening a trade for 3 minutes because I can see a clean trend. And I understand that, okay, even in this kind of the, 3 minutes time of the expiration with this kind of the clean trends, we still can have some corrections candle that we had now. And as you can see, it was fluctuating a little bit. But still, we closed that because, again, it was just good analyzing and good entry point and time of the expiration as well. Like, it's all in the balance. But at the same time, I understand I have a risk to not close this trade because just the time is not going to be enough, for example, or it's going to be too much. So need to be always really careful, and that's why we're using 1% of the deposit, because we cannot know for sure. So be ready to open and trade down. Okay. And down for 3 minutes, and we open a trade. Perfect. Here, even though we see a corrective candle, right, we're still opening a trade downward. Why we do this? Because we're following a trend. I was also telling this to the guys in the premium watch trading session today. Because a lot of people, when they see green candle, they think that, oh, I need to buy. If there's a green candle, there's a buyers in the market, I need to do this. But actually, if we will, change the time frame, for example to M5, we will see that we don't see any green candles, right? So it could be maybe a bit difficult to understand at first, but by changing our time frame, our charts is looking different because our candles is having different time frame. Again, like for example, now the time frame is M3. That means that each candle lasts 3 minutes, and after that, there's a new one appears in the chart. For example, on M5, everything could look even a bit more calm and easier because we have less candles and we have just every candle for 5 minutes. So by thinking, just when you see a green candle, that means that it's going to be the upward trend and you need to buy. Of course, it's not a good idea. Also, when you think that, oh, maybe it's the downward trend already going for some time, we're already close, for example, to the lower line of the Bollinger Bands, it's going to be a reversal, definitely, right? Maybe but we don't think about the main golden rule in trading, that trend is our friend. So we need to follow the trend no matter what. Of course, not no matter what, but if we see some of the signs of the reversal, of the correction, of the volatility and everything, we already need to think if we need this currency pair, if we need to continue trading here or not. That's why, for example, if I see that the situation is not good, it fluctuates a lot, we have some minuses and everything, it's better to change the currency pair that continue trading only at one, thinking that everything is going to change in a few minutes. It was just some kind of coincidence, for example. Of course not. So it's better to change the currency pair when you see that it's not working really good. If you see that still the continuation of the downward trend is going pretty good, it hasn't achieved the previous support level yet, all great, you continue moving in the same direction, you're opening a trade by the trend. And the thing is that a lot of people think that this is too easy to be true. This is too easy to be true, that it's actually working, and it's actually how many traders work. And that's why a lot of people is trying to find like difficult strategy, how to trade from the reversals, on the correction, in the sideways market and everything. You don't need that. You don't need to make yourself a difficulties. Why? Because you can just follow a trend. Literally, you can find this kind of the great situation or the consistent upward or downward trend and just opening a trades by the trend. Of course, there's a different situation. Sometimes you need to trade by the reversal because because you don't have any options. But if you have a choice not to trade, it's better not to, if you don't see any good situations in the market. That's how I do it every time. So, and I also recommend to you. So we close the trade here. Perfect. So yeah, everything could be much more easier. Actually, a lot of people just trying to think like, oh, I need to do this and this and this to be the best, to trade good. But actually, you don't need that many things to understand the basics of trading and trade by that. So wait a second, I'm just gonna do it like this. Here we got some correction candle, but actually it could be a good entry point. So that's how you know it's reversing the downward. But we're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna wait because as we can see now, it's actually standing at one place, showing that the buyers is taking this place. You know, they're not giving up yet. So it's could be also a sign that it's gonna be a reversal upward. Who knows? Maybe the support level right now is gonna be created here, and the resistance level is gonna be here, and that's gonna be the range of our price. Because before the support level was here, right, and our price can go to this level. Now, as you can see, the buyers is getting weaker a bit. We can see some shadow here, but at the same time, we need to be more careful and need to wait for more confirmation. We need to wait for the second candle here in the best case. It's 12 seconds till the end. Let's check it out on the M1. On M1, we can see a red candle actually appearing already. Here it's also probably going to be a red candle, but at the same time, it could be riskful to enter because yeah, we can see this. So it's better not to enter this. Of course, it can change, but if we have a choice not to, not to risk, it's better not to do it. Here's a pretty good situation. The payout here is 77%. I agree, it's not the best one, but it could be good. As you can see, it was the upward trend before, also a clean downward upward trend, but now it's achieved the previous resistance level, and we can see some red candles, so it could be a reversal. So it's better to wait here to check it out how it's gonna go. Yeah, on Euro/USD, it's already not great. So here could be, or as you can see, it was a good start of the upward trend, and what we had a correction, pretty big candle, or maybe it's going to be even a reversal, and the price will go till this level because we can see the body of this candle is pretty huge, though. It's really huge. Here could be a good downward trend, but it didn't break the previous support level yet, so it's better not to risk as well. This one, no. So I'm going to check the other currency pair. Wait a second. I'm going to do them. So guys, we closed a trade on this currency pair, the previous one, but after I saw we got some pretty big corrective candles, so it's already not that great to continue trading on this one. So I'm checking a new currency pair. Who's giving me the smile emojis on the profit? Why this? Why not the likes, the fires, for example, the any other emotion? So I'm checking all of them. Yours such GBP. Oh, okay, could be nice, but I don't like the previous most of the price because I'm a perfectionist. Like I like to enter really good situations actually. Of course, I can enter also difficult situations when we need to and we don't have any other choice. But at the same time, I love to find the best ones where we can do the best result. Also in the easier one. Here could be a good continuation of the downward trend as you can see, but there was some corrections. Here it's also happening, but we're gonna save that. We're gonna just put it and add to the favorites. Maybe this one. It's the one that we were opening, I think. Oh no, it was this one, I think. No, it was this one. Yeah, it was a big red candle appearing here. It's interesting if it's gonna break it or not. If yes, it would be a really good currency pair for opening a buy trade. Here, here could be also pretty good though, and here as well. But here's the question because we got this kind of the corrective candles before. Here is 73% payout. That's what I don't like about that. Here is again, it's reversing downwards. As you can see, it's not many options we have. Here could be a good downward. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Okay. NZD/USD OTC. I hope it's not going to change there while we all choosing the trades. Okay. We're ready. I didn't text yes or no. Yes or no. Perfect. Okay. So guys, I'm waiting for loads. I'm gonna check the comments, or I didn't check that. It's good to find the best chart. You're very good to find it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Somebody texting, hey Liz, I'm in the whip. This trader Liz not about is talking to me. It's not you. As you can see, I have only one R on the end. As you can see here, trader line Lisa line not line bot. There's no second air. So please, I'm gonna text my contacts here as well. My only one contact. Check in Telegram. So guys, please, yeah, check it out. So. Oh my god, I'm so tired of these people that's making this kind of the fake channels. It's just crazy. I don't know what they think about, but and the thing is, I sent the request to the Telegram, but there's no answer. I think it's not a big thing for them. Okay, here we're gonna open a trade down for 3 minutes, even though we got some corrective candle here, but we're gonna still do it here. Okay, down for 3 minutes. We're gonna open here sell trades. Perfect. For 3 minutes, it shouldn't reverse upward. So that's great. A lot of delay in YouTube. Haha. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. It's like 20 seconds. So, but I cannot do anything with this, unfortunately. Which time based of location? You mean if in the settings of the platform I have UTC plus 0, but it actually doesn't mean anything. Like it doesn't affect anyhow on your trades or something. But if you want to check like with my time, that you can see here and everything, like expiration time and here as well. As you can see now by UTC plus 0, I have 1 p.m. 29 minutes 43 seconds, but you already probably have more because of the delay, but still like 1:30 p.m. by UTC plus 0 time, so you can just do the same. So yeah guys, please check it out, my only one contact, because this kind of the people is even sending the links to my Zoom calls, for example the voice trading session, to the fake channels. Can you imagine? And one of the subscribers told me, oh, I think I subscribed to the wrong one. I was like, which one is that? He's like, oh, it's 7,000 subscribers there in the channel. I was like, I'm having 136,000 in the channel, so it's kind of different, right? So please guys, check it out, what kind of the channel you subscribe to. Who's doing the funny emojis? Huh? Guys, so the trade is going pretty good. It's 1:30 till the end of that, but probably not more while you're listening to this voice message. So actually it's pretty nice. We're gonna check it out if we stay at this currency pair after or we change it. And I don't know who's making the funny emojis on the messages. Why don't you do this? Put the likes, put the fires, for example, emotions or something. I appreciate that. So, okay, we just laughed a little bit. It's 1 minute right now. I think. Damn. So guys, as you can see here, we had a pretty good upward trend, which is a few corrections after it achieved this resistance level and started reversing downward. It hasn't achieved its previous support level yet, so we still have a time, and it's going pretty well. As we can see by the arrow side, it's almost crossing the oversold zone, but it actually doesn't mean that it's going to reverse when it's going to cross it, because even for example, is here we can see that the price was in the overbought zone in this level for some time, and it doesn't reverse yet, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna check it out how it's gonna go later. Okay, perfect. So just 1 second. There's a video uploading. Perfect. So we're gonna open a trade down again. And yep, we're gonna open a trade down. That's great. Perfect. So 2 minutes and 50 seconds. We got some corrective candle, but I think it's gonna reverse. I think I'm in the wrong VIP channel as well. Crazy. Text me please in the real account. I send it here in the chat. Are you trade, Lisa? Yeah, we're trading. No way, they're sending the same trades right after you send it. Oh my god, that's crazy. But the thing is, that even if I have this channel as closed one, I don't know why Telegram has this kind of the rules. I cannot, um, how do I say that? I cannot allow people to not send my messages, in some kind of the social medias and everything, social networks, you can do this, like you cannot send the other messages of the people if it's like a closed group. But here it's impossible, so I cannot anyhow. By the way, the payout is 73. What the hell? But when we opened it was 92. So I cannot anyhow block them or something, and they're probably, joining as the, you know, as the subscribers, and nobody knows that actually. Of course, how could I know if they have the people photo and names and everything? I cannot understand from which one. And they probably just joined it, and after they're just giving the link. It's crazy, it's crazy. And I'm even changing the link of the VIP club time to time, but still somehow I'll probably doing this. So I'm gonna check it out. Are you trader Lisa Bot? I send my contact above in the chat. Are we trading live again tomorrow? I'm having a live stream Thursday. So guys, please check it out in the description of this live stream. You can find the link to my Telegram channel. It's my main one. Who's doing funny emojis? What the hell? What the hell? We're having a profit. They're giving me funny emojis. So yeah, please check it out in the description of this live stream. You can find it. Yeah, for real, this is the most accurate trade I've had. Okay, perfect. Lisa, can we be doing it like every day or 4 times a week? You're accurate. Well, I'm doing actually 2 trading sessions in a week in the premium, and I'm doing one voice trading session per 2 weeks in the. Oh no, wait, one trading session in VIP Club channel every week as well at Wednesday. At Friday. Oh my god, I changed already everything because I have so many trading sessions. So I have one voice trading session in VIP in Friday, 2 trading sessions in premium every week, and also one time per 2 weeks I have test trading session here. Also every week I have a live stream at Thursday, so I have kind of a lot actually. I have a lot. Yes, she's good. Thank you, thank you. I'm currently in a group where there are 922 people in a fake channel with 70K. People are growing in the fake channels. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know. I don't know how to react on that. Every time I'm thinking about that and I see that, I'm really really disappointed. I'm really disappointed that I cannot even do anything about that. And I'm doing it for such a long time, and I'm making it every day, and they're just like stealing all of my work, and I cannot do anything about this. Like I cannot. Oh my god. So I'm thinking if we open here a trade again, because it's kind of fluctuates a bit. We got some corrective candle, but I think it's going to continue moving downward. Okay, we still see that it's continue moving up downward. So we're going to open here a trade. Even though the payout here is 41%, it's still okay. The main thing that this is not a catch up. So yeah. So we have 1 minute 53 seconds. So 1 minute 14 seconds. So 30 seconds to 1, and we close that as well, even though the profit is okay, 40 something percent, but still it's good that we have it. It's good that we have it. So I think that we already achieved here almost the previous support level, so it would be a bit riskful to open many trades, and I think we closed this ones pretty confidently, and I think we don't want to risk more, right? Wait a second. Opa. So here is balance after trading session. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So thank you so much, everybody that joined me here today. Please, I'm sending again my only one contact in Telegram. So please check it out if you have my Telegram. My Telegram. Also link to my channel in the description of the stream. Thank you so much, Lisa. Got a profit today. Good job. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Lisa. I'm happy I have it. It's equally working on demo too. What do you mean? Please 2 or 3 times here a week, not 2 weeks. Well, guys, I have a lot. I have a lot of trading sessions. I don't know already when to do this. I'm every time doing the trading session. Sometimes I have 3, sometimes I have 4 in a day. So I will think about that. But thank you for your feedback. I know that you like it, and I really appreciate that a lot. That you like my voice trading sessions. I also having a lot of the pleasure and happiness when I do this, but at the same time it's it's kind of the multitasking. Like I need to analyze everything, I need to do screenshots, I need to analyze the market, I need to send the signal, I need to answer to the comments and everything. Like it's such a big multitasking. After this I'm done, I'm just sleeping. That's it. So yeah, it's taking a lot of the efforts and energy, more than usual trading sessions. So because usually actually I like to do trading sessions in the full silence, and here I cannot do this because I'm talking. So yeah. Uh, so I'm in the fake vid. I guess I want to be in the real one. Yeah, please subscribe to the real one. The link in the description of this video. You can open it on the YouTube. I think you know how to do it. Fantastic session, Lisa. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wish you can join in copy trading so much. I appreciate Lisa. Oh, thank you. Real 100. Thank you. Good job. Okay, guys. Oh, I love to read your feedbacks. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. Lisa, keep going. Honestly, this is impressive. Oh my God, you make me shy. You make me shy. No ketchup today. Yeah, that's true. No ketchup. No ketchup. Let's check it out our trades. Oh my God. It was not that many trades, but at the same time, it's better to do 4 or 5 trades and all of them in profit than, to be riskful on the ketchups. It was one, it was two, yeah, it was three, it was four, it was five, it was six, it was six profits in a row. Wait, I'm gonna do the voice in the channel. Oh wait, I texted Believe. Made six balance. So guys, I think it was pretty great trading session. We made six profits in a row. How about that? I think that's pretty impressive. Even though the market today is difficult, but we made that because found a really nice currency pair. Was consistent upward or either downward trend. So thank you everybody that was on the live stream on the YouTube. We talked there with you, answered to the questions with your comments. So thank you everybody, and give me your feedback as well. Great, great. Yeah, I just noticed that actually that I'm just when I'm in the process. Only after I'm checking what kind of result is that. Wow, just wow. You're so fantastic and great person. Thank you, thank you. You're fantastic. You're fantastic, guys. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed this session. Thanks a lot. Awesome, Bella. Oh, thank you, thank you. The thing one is stating that they provide copy trading sessions trying to charge $500. I don't charge anything, guys. I don't take any money from my subscribers. Please don't send anybody any money. Even if they have my photo, my name, or something. I never ask any money from my subscribers. Again, I will say that 100,000 times. I'm doing my social media, so you can imagine, for 4 years. I never took any money from my subscribers. Nothing, nothing, zero, guys. Everything that I do is free. VIP Club channel, copy, premium, everything. My main trading sessions, my YouTube, anything else. I'm doing everything absolutely for free. This is my mindset, this is my goal, this is my idea since the beginning. So if somebody is asking you some money, never do this, guys. Also, even if you trade with some other trader and he's saying that you need to pay to join his VIP Club channel or something else, please never do this. Because the person that actually doesn't have any problems with that, he will never ask 50, 500 or something dollars, to so you will join to his channel. If he's making a lot of money, why he's asking for the money? This is the question you need to ask every time when somebody is asking you for the money for some course or something. I'm doing everything for free. Everything that I do is free. My videos, my educational channels, my educational videos, and more. So please check it out how actually this kind of people work. If they texting to you first, if they're trying to get some money out from you, if they're saying to you that, oh, I'm having trades at 100% profitable, it's not true. You know me, I'm really real about everything. I'm telling you that, guys, you're not gonna have 100% profitable signals. Never with anyone, because it's just impossible. The market sometimes is unpredictable, and I'm saying you this truth because I don't care, because I'm saying the truth, because I don't take any money from the people, so they will believe that I have some secret strategy. I don't have it. I'm following the same strategies and system that was created years and years ago by many professional traders. There's no secret, there is no magic button or something else. There's just work. So if somebody is asking you the money, it's not me, and please never do this. If also somebody is texting you first, never answer. I never text first, never. I could only text if we had a conversation before and I can ask how are you, how's your result, to help you or something else. But if we never had a conversation with you, I would never ask you, oh, can you join my channel, please? Let's go. I would never do that, guys. I'm never texting the people first. I'm never taking any money. I have only one main channel with 136,000 subscribers. You can find all of the links in the description of this video. So please be really careful. Ah, yes, those ass pieces of awful are doing scam around. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So please never transfer anybody money. Never do this. All of the information about trading you can find in the YouTube. So many videos, so many information. The main thing that you just need to, systemize it. And I was saying how to do this. I will also say it in the other live stream. You can use it, ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT, please, can you make me 30 days plan what topics I need to learn in trading? And you're gonna go step by step. For example, first day you learn technical analysis. Second day you learn fundamental analysis. Boom, you practice it. After you learn candlestick patterns. After you learn, for example, levels, support resistance, but it should be in the first actually day. You learn what type of tradings and blah blah blah. There's so many information in the YouTube, so please, guys, don't watch only my channel. Watch other people's channel. Learn from them. All of the people is giving their experience, their knowledges, their brain, their skills in the YouTube videos, absolutely for free. Everything you can find for free. Lisa, Are you doing a new copy trading marathon, Lisa? How to check that out? I have you can just text me about that. I don't have a new one. Uh, I'm already doing this right now for I think second month or something. The first one month was really difficult because it was January. It was the end of December and also the start of January. We know that also in the holidays it's really difficult. We're not trading in the holidays, but still, um, in like 20th December, we were trading 22nd, 23rd, and the market was so difficult. But everybody was asking me so much about that. And I was actually not doing this long time. So many people were asking me about that, and I was always saying, no, guys, I'm not gonna do this because it's more responsibility, it's more trading sessions and everything. I already have a lot. But still, I made that, and still really stressful actually because it's a lot of the responsibility, and I'm always like I already have so many trading sessions as well, and the market now in 2026 is so crazy because so many news every time there's something that Trump releases, says, and everything, and it affects on all of the market. It's just so tiring, of course, but still. But now we have it good. So yeah, but we also it was also difficult there as actually all of the last month. So I'm trying to do the best as possible, but at the same time, sometimes market just hit us, absolutely hit us. It took 4 years to build you this empire. Lisa, you don't need to justify you not one of them. Your results show your profession and your work. Thank you. Like only you and I boycott other trader always. Thank you so much. It's so cute to hear. Thank you. I really appreciate that. And that's why I'm, continue doing this. Sometimes also like I'm a real person, sometimes I just want to give up and I'm like, oh, it's crazy. It's so many problems. There's so many things to handle and blah, blah, blah. So much responsibility, some of the fake channels that I also need to handle somehow, even though it's not my, not my thing. And I need to spend my nerves, my time on them, for example. But after I just read your messages, guys, I just read your comments, and I was filled with joy and happiness and love. So I appreciate that you exist, guys, that you text me every time some of the really nice things. So I appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. Mwah. So we're gonna see each other really soon. I don't want anyone to become their hard earned money. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's why I'm always posting. I already posted I think 20 posts in my main channel about the scammers, and I was even putting the screenshots there. We can actually find it here. For example, big announcement here. Recently, just 2 weeks ago, actually, I'm addressing you with an important announcement. Recently encountered an unpleasant situation where scammers started impersonating me and swindling money from my audience. Can you imagine? And here I was putting some of the. This is all the. They're putting the same photo as me. They're doing this kind of the thing that they're real one or something. Trader Lisa, the same name, blah blah blah. And they're saying on this promo, if you invest 100, you can earn profit. What the hell? I'm never texting like this. I'm never, guys, saying you any like guarantees, any numbers, big numbers, because I'm always saying, guys, everything step by step. There's no way that you can invest 100 and make 3,000. It's just impossible. They're always making some kind of you see, making times 10 of your investment capital in just 3 weeks. Oh my God, that's such a crazy thing. So yeah, this is a fake channel. This is also fake 4K. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Lisa, Andre. That's crazy. That's crazy. Also here, they're using actually somebody else probably because also they're using my feedback screenshots, of my subscribers. It's just crazy. Here they have 40,000 subscribers. Can you imagine? So yeah, so I'm always posting that. I was posting that before as well. So guys, please be really careful. Please join my real channel and check it out, everything there. Hello, dear. Your voice is far. I'm sorry. Maybe I was far away from the microphone. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. I love you all.